Hello and welcome back. I'm continuing today's weigh and pay video from at the old anvil yard. So here's what I got. First of all, we got mixed metal. What was 153 kilograms, weighing paid £26 and 78p. Electric motors, 300 a ton, weight 2 kilos 60p. Heavy copper, 5,450 pound a ton, weight 11 kilos. £59.95p. Stainless steel under 5 foot, £1,050 a ton, 4 kilos £4.20. Number 2 copper, 5,160 a ton, 3 kilos £15.48. Cast alley, 870 a ton, 4 kilos £3.48. Dry bite wire, smart, 6,100, 1 kilo £6.10. Brass 100% clean, 3,470 a ton, 19 kilos £65.93p. Single cable, 3,100 a ton, weight 2 kilos £6.20. Alley rads clean, 480 a ton, 4 kilos £1.92. Old road alley, 850 a ton, 1 kilo 85p. Clean HE9 max 2 foot, 1,500 a ton, 21 kilos, 31.50, grand total of £222.99p. That's that one out the way. On to the next one. That's from today's weighing at the anvil. Right, yeah. So we'll start off with mixed scrap metal, £200 a ton, weight 172 kilos, £34 and 40p. Iron alley, 250 a ton, 2 kilo 50p. Heavy copper, 5,530 a ton, 11 kilos £60.83. Number 2 wire, 5,350 a ton, weight 5 kilos 26.75. Household clean, 1,040 a ton, 1 kilo 194. Singles cable, 3,000, 2 kilos £6. Iron alley, 250, 2 kilos 50p. Electric motors, 300 a ton, 5 kilos 150. Cast alley, 750 a ton, 5 kilos 375. Stainless steel under 5 foot, 1,060, 4 kilos 424, 140 quid. Onto the next part. So more mixed scrap metal, 200 a ton, 46 kilos 920. Mixed metal again, 200 kilo 151, 151 kilos £30.20. Heavy copper, 5,530, 1 kilo 553. Iron alley, 250 a ton, 1 kilo 25p. Iron alley again, 250 a ton, 1 kilo 25p, £45.43 for that, both of them. Another one, alley cans, 250 quid a ton, 40 kilos £10. Mixed scrap metal, 187 kilos £32.72. Dry bite wire, 6,340 a ton, £38.4p. That was for £80.76p. Mixed scrap metal, 185 a ton, 89 kilos £16.47. Old road alley, 700 a ton, 2 kilos 140. Household clean, 1,850 a ton, 3 kilos £5.55. Stainless steel under 5 foot, 1,000 a ton, 3 kilos 3 quid. Number 2 wire check, 5,110, 16 kilos 81.76. Heavy copper, 5,390, 6 kilos 32.34. Dry bite wire check, 6,030 a ton, 7 kilos 40.21. Dry bite wire again, 6,030 a ton, 11 kilos £66.53p. Stainless steel under 5 foot, 1,000, 8 kilos 8 quid. Brass 100% clean, 3,350 a ton, 4 kilos £13.40. Cast alley, 650 a ton, 11 kilo, so 14 kilo 19.10. Iron alley, 220 kilos 4 quid, £283.56p. That's what I've made this month in scrapping. So thanks for watching. I'm back, everyone, more videos to come, stay tuned.